Hello guys, the singer rocking on the crowd and let's see Usair is finally returning to the road coming off his 24 Super Bowl Hall of Fame show in February, his Essence Festival show in July and 100 show of a critically acclaimed Las Vegas residency. The singer kicked off his tour August 20, Washington DC after a neck injury forced him to reschedule the first three shows. It's a very difficult time for singers embarking on the past, present, future tour. His first in the 8 years, Usair is firing on all cylinders as he takes the stage for a 2 hour extravaganza, somehow even better at 45 than he was at 25 when his 2004 chart-topping hit album Confessions dropped. The R&B legend runs through more has than most fans realize he has and beeps in tracks from his latest album Coming Home. And Coming Home is I am promoting a legacy, past, present, and future. I have been doing this long enough to celebrate the legacy of my music from the beginning of my career up until an incredible moment that I am having, he tells today ahead of tours. So 48 hours with user concert preparation, family time, and what next for the R&B icon. And cruising through each section of the show, Usair house that take to connect different eras of the career in a new way. He reimagined versions of his life, including an old Usair from 2044 who made different life decisions and mimics a video call with younger iteration of himself taking and smiling back at him. So here the singers Usair Ojo is as he makes his way around the stage, bumping and grinding and crooning, seducing the manly aunties and nieces in the audience. His quick changes, products, silky bejeweled look after look, replete with overcoat, larger than life sunglasses, and slinky tops, all of which managed to find a way of uh, him to get to the core. And the past, present, future tour has more than 45 songs and spanned 30 years of music. So here you can watch Usair is written above and brief and broad uh, program of this. Thank you.